Good morning from Mick Flanagan in the UK, back from the Philippines on a cold November morning. And just looking out the window, a beautiful field here, waterlogged. Can't help but noticing plenty movement in the hedge here. And there are lots of sparrows in there. I noticed a robin also. Plenty of activity because they get fed. Nice to see these on a cold November morning. It's so much better to see these birds. I think there's a starling there on the top. Better to see these birds on a hedge, in a hedge, than in a cage. It just shows that there is no need for a cage to view birds. Just look at them all in and out the hedge. Nice to see birds having their freedom. Plenty in there. The hedge is full of birds, so alive. Much better than a cage. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.